Hey there, welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard, and today I'm coming to you from the MSC Seascape Casino, and I've already shown you how to kind of wash Freeplay, but I want to show you a new way that I'm doing it on Jacks or Better. So I just washed $50 in Freeplay, turned it into $32, but I have a new theory that's essentially a Fibonacci-ish or Martingale-ish on playing Jacks or Better with Freeplay. So I'm going to take you along with that. Again, $32. I turned $50 in Freeplay into $32 in cash. I'm going to try this with this $50 and see what I get along the way. So come along as we do this. I don't have my normal camera with me, but I think this should work for this scenario. All right, so we are going to take this Freeplay ticket, put it in right there. And then what we're doing is we're playing Jacks or Better for a quarter. So $50 in Freeplay is in. Jacks or Better for a quarter. Here we go. Now it's very simple. I'm just going to bet. This is just for one quarter. I'm going to bet, and all I want is a pair of Jacks or Better. Now there's eights. Maybe we'll hold the eights. No, that did nothing. That missed. So if I miss, we go up. We can go up to 5. And we'll hold the king. Missed. Go up again. Oof. We'll hold the eights. 2 pair. That's a hit. But instead of making three units on that, we made 6 units. And then we're just going to back it up. We made 6 units times 3. Back it up to 1. Hit deal again. I'm going to hold on the ace. If I have anything that's a jack or higher, I'm better off holding onto that again. Increase the unit. 3 of a kind already. Add a double multiplier. We got 3 of a kind. Let's see if we get 4 of a kind. That would have been nice. So I'm going to play this through. I'm going to bring you updates along the way. I've got 203 credits right now. And if I hit cash out, it's a $3 voucher. Let's see. $3 voucher, and I think we've probably used $3 voucher right there. And let's see what we've used with the Freeplay so far. 47, so less than $3. We're ahead of the game. That's always impressive. Whoop. So $3 voucher, and we used $2.25 ahead of the game. Let's see if we can stay above that $50 playing this way. So for example here, we just played up to 4 and hit on 4. So we got 4 times 4. We got our 8 with Jacks or Better there finally. So that won us, again, this is just a sequence of a couple. That won us $1. Now again, the thing is, we got $1 plus $3. So we got $4. So as long as we have more than $46 left, ooh, we're a little underneath. Let's see how we turn out here. Again, this is a standard Jacks or Better machine here. And yeah, $4. So we're down 75 cents so far. Not great, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so I played this one all the way up to 5 credits, and then the aces hit. But again, what we want to do, we want to go down. All we are looking for is a pair of Jacks or Better. We don't want to chase anything else. You know, we're looking for king there. No king. Increase it up. Oh, we already have the aces there. See, we're just trying to wash Freeplay here, so we don't actually care. If you know, hey, if a flush comes or straight flush on 2 pair, hey, that's better than anything else like that. But we're only on unit 1. But we still have to hold them, and we can hope for a full house. Not going to happen. But again, when we have a loss, so we have the 8s, but they don't do us any good in this game. So we're going to hold the ace. Okay. So we're going to go 2. Jacks are Better automatically. See, what it's doing is we're increasing on the losses, so it's helping. Then we just bring it down a little bit. And we'll see where we're at overall in a few minutes' time. I'll combine everything together, but we're back to 1 unit. Okay, so this is a good scenario. Do we chase the flush? Yeah, why not? We didn't get it. So we just increase up 1. Hold the aces. Or the ace. Hope for aces. Hold the jack and the ace. Hold the king and the ace. Uh-oh. Jacks are Better. 3 of a kind. Extra back. We got 15 there. Hey, I'll take that. And then if we're going to feed in these vouchers right here. These are the ones that are already good as cash. Again, remember when we just played Jacks or Better straight, we got $32 out. Yes, I know there's some level of variance here, but the question is whether this increasing or decreasing on wins or losses is actually worth it. This was the first $50 voucher I had, $32. I have $11, which means if I've got the more than $49 left in the voucher. We're up. Let's see. $35.50. But that's $11 cash. We're gonna get our $35.50 voucher and continue playing right here at Jacks Are Better with Freeplay. I always love these when I'm at a 3 multiple, and I've already got 3 of a kind. So, 4 of a kind could have happened there. It would have been nice to get on video if it happened. But again, it's still a win, so we're gonna take that down to 1, 2, 1. And the question is, do we do better than we did a couple minutes ago? Yes, I know there's a margin of error, 2 pair. And you know what? I didn't increase there, so that was me paying attention to my camera. So here, what we'll do, we'll run the next one at an increase. Hold the king. Go to 2. King, queen. Ooh. Go up. There we go. Jacks are better. See, we're getting paid back over time. And we've already got that. Jacks are better right there at 4. Again, bring it down to 1. You could Martingale, Fibonacci, but you only get Jacks are better. Automatic win there. And if we get a loss, okay, so this is hold the 3s. Nothing. Increase to 2 bets. 2 out of 2 there. 2 pair automatically. Nice payout there. So we would have only gotten 2. We're getting 4. We're getting a double multiplier on free money. It's almost turning this into roulette. Or should I say, at least how I would play roulette. So again, bring it down. Or they'll bring it up. That was a loss. We've already got right there. Again, I have a loss. Bring it up. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 3. Well, that seemed nice, but as we're chasing this up, we're getting a little bit more. I'm not saying it's a perfect system. Don't get me wrong. But I think it's going to make us more. And we back it down. And we'll see where we're at in just a few moments' time. Got 138 credits left. But some of those are cash and some of them are free play. I'll check out and get an update right now. Well, that's some random ass fun. I have exactly $22.75 in cash and exactly $22.75 playable. So we're going to put that playable back in. Again, the thing is you want to see the largest number of hands, but you want to make up for any potential losses. It's looking really, really good so far doing this. It's an idea I had that I've never actually played through. So king, yep, that's good. We leave it at 1. Again, we'll go hold the jack. Jacks are better, leave it at 1. And we're just washing the cash. Wow, 3 in a row. You don't need any more than jacks are better for what you're doing, because trust me, this is all going down to roulette after. So that's a loss. We increase by 1. Jacks are better automatically. Again, it can get better. It did get better. Look at that. Bring it down. We're going to hold on to our ace. Let the 8s ride. There we go. Jacks are better. Look at that. This is about the standard payout on this game. So again, on a loss, we're going to go up 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nothing. This is just trash. Look at that. 2 pair. Just playing trash. Not holding any cards. Jacks are better automatically. So anyway, so you're trying to lucky streak. This is about what Jacks are better plays out. If you play Jacks are better, you should get about 80% return on Jacks are better. There we go. That's a loss. Increase. Overall, you should get 8 cents on your dollar if you play it through once. That's kind of junk. I mean, I could do 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 6, 5 or 10. Oh, I'm hitting the hold button. There we go. 10. Look at that. Straight. Look at that. I talked my way through that. Again, we're still playing on the same $50 in free play. So loss. We'll bring it up. Again, 3, 10, 2, 9, 8. No, nothing. Get a new one. 3. Hold that jack queen. Pair of jacks are better. No. Go to 4. My luck is changing. Nope, jacks are better. Juice it down to 1. Now you could juice it down. You could. We're not going to do this today, but some of you might say in the comments, hey, just go up 1 unit or go down 1 unit, depending on if it's a win or a loss. I could do, I'll talk in theory. This is probably a loss. There's nothing here. So I can go up 1 unit. And I'll hold the jack ace. Jacks are better. Cool. Go down 1 unit. Doesn't really matter. Jacks are better. We're doing really well here because what we're doing is we're moving kind of with the ebb and flow of what's going on. So if we have a total loss, I mean, if we don't get a king there, that's a loss. We're gonna go up 1. Hold the king and the queen. Okay, we're gonna go 3. This is what I wanted. Okay, so perfect. So we got 2 pairs, so 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Now, could have been made better, but instead of going down to 1, another theory is you could go down to 2 and just bounce around a little bit. Then we go 3 and a loss. I'm sorry this is handheld, but this is what I had. Jacks are better. Go down to 2. We might actually be doing better going this way. We'll do this for a few hands. We're not going to do it. Actually, it's even easier. You know, sometimes you come up with ideas when you're doing this and you're like, oh, now you could hold for the straight, but you're more likely to get either a queen, a king, or an ace. We got the ace. So we'll go down to 1 on a, we'll go down 1 unit on a win. Oh my god, I've turned this into roulette. How did I do that? I say that facetiously and seriously at the same time. That's actually doing really well. At a 3 bet. Let's get it down to a 1 bet and then we'll add again. We're going down to 2. Hold the ace and the queen. Jacks are better. Bring it down to 1. Hold the jack in the game. No, we gotta bring it up to 2. There we go. Let's see how we're doing here. I'm gonna put in the 22.75. Remember, we had some cash for 22.75. I'll put that in. And then I'm gonna pull this guy out. So, oh my god, I'm already above. Oh wait, yeah. I only had $32 and the $50 that was paid through before. This system totally friggin' works. And I still have $8.25 left to play. So doing this increase or decrease, basically playing it like I play roulette with a Martingale, a Fibonacci, or up 1 unit, down 1 unit, actually works. We'll put in the $8.25. Shit, we'll try it again, just so you can kind of see. We're putting the $8.25. Again, we're starting at 1 unit. King, Jack, Ace. Ooh, that's real flush potential. It looks good. Go up 1 unit. Jack, Queen. Up 1 unit. Ace, King. There we go. But instead of going to 1, we'll go to 2. Oh, 2 pair. It's a nice place to get 2 pair. And that's a full house. That's 12 units instead of 6 units if you're going down that way. Then we'll go down the house. Oh my god. Guys, you might say this is just hot tonight, but I mean, also this is just hot tonight. But this seems to be a much better way to play this here. Hold the jacks, can increase up 1 unit. Hold the ace, increase, and hold the ace, increase. Oh, there we go. There's our jacks, they're better. Bring it down 1 unit. The question is, will we get $50 exactly out of here? You know what? It's not looking too impossible. That's a loss. We go up, Jack, Queen, spin, Queen, King. I think I went down, yeah. I might have messed that one up, but it's okay. I messed it up in the right way. Okay, we'll bring it down 1. Hold the ace. 4. Hold that. Hold those 2 aces. Maybe make it better. Yeah, I was gonna say maybe make it better. Got 3 of a kind. Now, what you want to do is you want to check your cash out. I think we're done. $8.25 voucher. Yeah. So let's see what we did. I might have overplayed that by like 1 or 2 units. But this was literally, I will show you, this was not changing the bet level. $32 was about the same, not changing the bet level. But changing the bet level, I made $44.50. Well, we can see that a Martingale, Fibonacci, a doubling, kind of a roulette, how you can use a roulette strategy to play jacks or better, actually friggin' works. So yeah, if you know me, I'm gonna combine this $44 ticket and this $32 ticket and go play roulette. This is Richard from No Pants Profits. showing you how to play jacks are better with a doubling, Martingale, Fibonacci, chasing, step up, step down strategy, and to make, God, a lot higher return. It's like 30%, yeah, about 30% higher return. And reminding you that when you wear no pants, the only thing you have left to lose is your shirt. Good luck playing jacks are better, everyone, and playing it with a doubling, tripling, quadrupling, centupling theory there, or just step up or down, however you want to call it. Here's one you owe. You wish you didn't hit at the reset level. It's an automatic straight. You wish you would have hit that at the 8, the 12, the 16, or the 20. I'm just saying. But again, we're back down to 1. We're going to hold the Jack, King, Ace, just to show you this process again, at a 1 bet. Queen does us no good there. Juice it up to 2. Hold the Queen, King, 2 pair. So we got a nice hit there, which made up for our loss right there. Bring it down to 1, and do it again. Jack, King, Queen. That's rough with the 5s. There we go. We got jacks are better right there. I'll give you an update in just a minute's time. I don't want to show you every single hand here. That would be kind of boring.